Have you ever changed the oil on your car or your truck, your automobile? And when you pull that oil plug out of the bottom of your oil pan to drop the oil, sometimes you'll look at that oil plug right on the end of it and it'll look kind of fuzzy. You know what that fuzziness is? That is little bits of metal that have been attracted to the magnet that's in your oil plug. It's keeping the metal fragments in there from being suspended in your oil and sloshing around, causing damage or premature wear to your engine. Well, did you know you can accomplish the same thing with your 4-stroke small engine? Yep, watch this. Everybody, welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, you want to see my website one day? I got my address right there, stevesmallenginesaloon.com. Quick link up in the information button if you can see that. So what you are going to need to accomplish this today is a dipstick. You're going to need a magnet, and you are going to need approximately 2 sips of Labatt Blue right here. This is a super quick, easy, most of the time it's going to be free for you to do this. Now, I also have this bag of some debris right here that I swept up from around my bench grinder. This is got rocks in it, it's got dirt in it, and of course it's on a bench grinder, so it's got some metal filings in there. So what we're going to do, dump that right out here on the bench. This is the dipstick out of my riding lawnmower, Briggs & Stratton engine. It's a metal dipstick. Not really doing very much, is it? A little bit of dirt stuck on there, maybe from the oil residue that's on there, but it certainly didn't attract any metal. Now you take your magnet. This is the same concept as magnetizing your screwdrivers. A lot of people know how to do that. You take a magnet and you take your dipstick like that, rub it on there. I would say, depending on maybe how strong your magnet is, maybe 10 times on each side. Maybe do the other side too. I'm already losing track. Is that good? That's good enough. Now watch this. Look at that. Now that's attracting metal. You just magnetized your dipstick. It's going to do the same thing as your car. It's going to attract all that. Now you go check your oil. You pull it out. Of course, it's not going to look like this when you pull it out. It's going to be probably microscopic, a little bit of metal on there. If you check your oil, you pull that out after we do this, and you go out in the sunshine and really look at that in the sunshine, it'll look all sparkly. A lot of metal is in there. Now, I do have to mention too that this is not going to attract aluminum or magnesium or anything like that, because that doesn't get attracted to a magnet. But the harder metals like steel, the stuff that's actually going to do some damage in your engine, will absolutely get attracted to that. You check your oil, you wipe it off with a rag, all that stuff's in your rag now, and then you check your oil and carry on. Now that's if you have a metal dipstick. What happens if you have one of these? 99% of you know what this is. It's a plastic dipstick that comes out of Honda horizontal engines, Honda engines, all the Honda clones, the Chondas. It includes Champions, Predators, all that kind of stuff. Looks just like that. It's plastic. You can't magnetize it. But what you can do is replace this with one that already has a magnet on it. I have some links in the description right underneath this video. There's a link for you. You can go buy one of these. It's a replacement dipstick that fits right in there. It's got the same threads and everything, but I think it's actually aluminum, but it's got a magnet built right into the bottom of that dipstick like that, and it's going to accomplish the same thing. That's your other way around that. Well, I thought that this was a pretty cool trick, tip, / hack, whatever you want to call it. I think that deserves a thumbs up right there. I would really appreciate it if you guys would put some comments down underneath this video in the comments section. Tell me what your opinion is. Is this going to help your engine? Is this going to hurt your engine? Fire your comments down. Tell us all what you think. I love hearing that stuff. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. You want to watch something else now? There's a video right there. Click on that one next. And until the next time, Labatt Blue, hey, good enough. Steve out.